Happy Knitters, welcome back. Today is day 4 of Kwanzaa. So as you guys, if you watched yesterday's episode, I have a yarn box from the sweet and wonderful Carol of ChickenCoop Dyeworks, and I will be doing a revealing each day for 7 days of her Kwanzaa box, which is absolutely phenomenal. If there's something that you see here, just check with her to see. I don't know if she still has the box available or if she's got these particular yarns available, but yeah, I would definitely reach out to her to find out. So let's start with day 4. So day 4 is Ujamaa, which means cooperative economics, working to build shops and businesses. So let's get started. So this is package number 4. I have not opened any of these, so you guys get to see it when I see it. Oh, but before I start reveal, I wanted to let you guys know exactly what was in the package for this year. So there's going to be enough yarn to do one or more of the patterns in the box. There's yarns in every weight from worsted to lace weight. There's patterns for socks, cowls, mitts, and shawls. So you will have variegated, speckled, or tonal yarns. And the bases contain anything from alpaca to merino to silk and yak. In other words, there's a surprise for everyone. The bottom line is the box will contain a minimum of 3,100 yards of yarn and a project bag, which you guys saw yesterday, and some other fun little goodies. So some of the patterns that she has in the box are from Rummy Hill, Tammy Gore, and Kate Davies, as well as some of the local favorites, Lori Beardsley. So, and she's got some crochet designers in there as well, Akalori Designs, Carmen Heffernan, and Janet Pippin. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a kind of a synopsis of what was in the box. So anyway, let's go ahead and reveal what's in day 4. Oh my. So this is in her base comb feathers, which is a DK. I love it. Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. So this is DK weight. It is 70% superwash merino, 30% silk, and it's 231 yards, 100 grams. And the colorway is Weir Wood. Once again, check that out. Lovely. So thank you guys for joining me for day 4. And don't forget to check back here tomorrow for day 5. And we'll go all the way to day 7, which is going to be January the 1st. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.